Hi students, welcome back to video classes. In the previous video class, we learned the closure property and commutative property of integers. Now, in this class, we learn the next property, that is associative property. So, one is associative property. Addition. So as we know that when group of whole numbers are added in any order, we get the same result. Let us check for integers. Consider -4, -3 and -6. Add these three integers. Here we are adding three integers, 1, 2, 3. That's why we are using group of integers. -6 plus of -4 plus of -3 is equal to -6 plus of -4 plus -3. So here in the first sum, -3 and -4 grouped together, whereas in the second sum, -6 and -4 grouped together. Now when you add these two, we can add these two by using number line, and we know the addition of integers of same sign. Here the signs are same. What is the sum of these two? -4, -3. If the signs are same, then we add the numbers and put the same sign. Plus -6. That means -6 plus -7, which is equal to -13. If we come to this one, here we are adding these two. Here also same signs, -6 plus of -4. If the signs are same, add the numbers. 4 plus 6, 10. -10 plus of -3. So which is equal to -13. So in both cases we get -13 as a result. So we can add these three numbers by using number line also. So therefore -6 plus of -4 plus -3 is equal to -6 plus of -4 plus of -3, which is equal to -13. That means when group of integers are added in any order, we get the same result. Therefore, when group of integers are added in any order, we get the same sum. As a result, we get the same sum. That's all. So take some more examples and find out. Then you find the sums are same. Now therefore for any three integers, we can say that for any three integers A, B and C, A plus of B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Now this is associative property, and we come to the next property. As we know that subtraction is not commutative for integers, hence subtraction is, this is the next property, hence subtraction is not associative. Subtraction is not associative for integers. That means when group of integers are subtracted in any order, we will not get the same integer. So this is the next property. Therefore subtraction is not true for associative. Now additive identity. Additive identity. As we learned, when we add 0 to any whole number, we get same whole number. So is it an additive identity for integers? Let us take some examples. First take plus 6 plus 0, which is equal to 6, is an integer, is what we call same integer. Same. Minus 4 plus 0, here we are adding minus 4 to 0, therefore we will get minus 4 only, is the same integer. Take one more example, 0 plus of minus 16, which is equal to minus 16, is also an integer. So if we verify it, what we call, when 0 is added to any integer, we get the same integer only. When 0 is added to any integer, we get the same integer only. Here for any, therefore for any integer a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a, that is equal to a. So this is, I mean, this was all related to addition and subtraction. Now multiplication of integers. Multiplication of integers. So we can add and subtract integers. Let us how to multiply integers. Take two positive integers. So that means when you multiply two positive integers, what happened we will see. Multiplication of two positive integers. Multiplication of two positive integers. For example, take 5 and 3. For example, 5 into 3. What does it mean? 5 into 3 means 5 times 3. That means you should add 3 5 times, which is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, which is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 means, so its sum is 15. Therefore 5 3s are, which is equal to 15. So that means here we are adding 5 into 3 means we are adding this 3 5 times. So take the next one. Suppose 3 into, second example, say 2 into 6. What is the meaning of this one? 2 into 6 means 2 times of 6, means 2 times 6. That means you should add this 6 2 times, which is equal to 12. Therefore 2 into 6 is equal to 12. Therefore the product of two positive integers is positive only. Therefore when you multiply two integers, that is positive integers, the product of two positive integers is positive only. So this is the one rule. When two positive integers are multiplied, we get positive only. That means plus into plus, it gives plus. Now come to the next one. That is multiplication of positive and negative integer. Positive and negative integer. So you can apply the same rule for integers. So just that means take two integers with different signs. Consider 3 and minus 6. 3 and minus 6 means 3 into minus 6. So same, we can apply the same. 3 into minus 6 means 3 times of minus 6. That means you should add minus 6. How many times? 3 times. Minus 6 plus minus 6 plus minus 6. As we know that if the signs are same, then we add the numbers. Here all the three integers are negative. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. Its sum is 18. And then you put the minus sign before that sum. Therefore 3 into minus 6 is equal to minus 18 only. We multiply negative integer by positive integer. Let us take minus 3 into 6. Here the signs are changed. So which is, it doesn't mean minus 3 times 6. Therefore we can do this one by using pattern. Pattern means, what is the product of 3 and 6? 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. Now reduce by 1. 2 6 are how much? So this 18 is reduced by 6. So 18 minus 6, which is equal to 12. Now 1 6 is equal to, again this 12 is reduced by 6, which is equal to 6. Now 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. Now where it is 0. Now 0 into 6, which is equal to, here what is the previous product? 6. 6 is again reduced by 6. 6 minus 6, which is equal to 0. 0 6 are 0. As we know that the product of an integer by 0 is 0. Now 0 after we will get minus 1 into 6. Minus 1 into 6. The product is, previous product is 6. Again this 6 is reduced by 6. 0 minus 6, which is equal to minus 6. In the same way, minus 2 into 6, which is equal to minus 6 minus 6, which is equal to minus 12. Now minus 3 into 6, which is equal to minus 12 minus 6, that is equal to minus 18. Therefore, minus 3 into 6 is equal to minus 18. The product of a negative integer and a positive integer is negative only. That means for any two integers, therefore for any two integers, you can take any two integers. For any two integers A and B, so A into minus B is equal to minus B into A, which is equal to minus A into B, that is equal to minus of A into B. So therefore the product of two integers of which one positive and one negative is negative integer only. So this is the multiplication of positive integer by negative integer and negative integer by positive integer. Now we will continue in the next video, multiplication of two integers and more than two integers. Okay, bye.